guys, ako balik si Nicole Sanchez, 18 years old, and I have 3 things to describe myself. So first, I am loud, shy, mas di sa akong friend, and lastly, I am a crybaby. So, ginbata ko gali sa Western Visayas Medical Center, and kung mamangkot niyo kung nga Nicole, akong ngalan, Nicole with an H, kay idol sing lulo ko sing una, si Nicole Kidman. So, Nicole akong ngalan, kaging dugangan ni Mama H, para magmatchi kami sing ako niya sister, which is an H mo niya ngalan. So, speaking of family, muni akong mama, si Mary Joy Sanchez, and muni akong papa, si Noel Sanchez. They fell in love, and they have us. I have 3 siblings. The eldest one is Nino, and the second one is Noeline, and our bunso is NJ here. So why is that you and why fashion design? To be honest, fashion design was not my first choice. Ang first choice ko actually is tourism. Kaya gusto ko mag-travel, maglaba-laba. Kaya lagawan ko. But sadly, wala ko kapasar sa entrance exam, pero okay lang. So, when I was looking for other opportunities, someone guided me and gindala kami sa Fashion and Wellness Department. And gin-interview ko, tapos nakapasar mo ko sa fashion design sa muna ari ko di Sobo. So, as I learned more, I realized nga ang fashion design is also a beautiful path, a beautiful way to express your creativity, your identity, and your passion.